And I greet to now everybody. This now the video of mohbad wey die, the artist, Nigeria artist wey die last week. This now the video of how they take the comot am for ground. Now why they do this video? Now the way the guy take die, tragic, he just die tragic death wey no get explanation. The circumstances wey surround the death, nobody know. He no sick, he no call him mama tell am say, I get the cook agbo for me make I drink. They no talk say they purge. He just die. And the way they come rush take bury am come raise more suspicion. You know say this life wey we dey, very wicked world. Person just die like that. Small boy, young boy just die like that. People wey do this thing and they still dey. Now make people come dey talk say, make police do investigation, make dem find out wetin happen wey this guy take die like this. So now they come take go comot the body like this for autopsy. Now, those people wey do this thing, wetin I want make people know, those people they wicked pass devil. Those people, if you see them, make you go embrace snake. Those people, they worse pass criminals. People wey do these things, so they worse pass our wicked politicians. People wey go do this thing, kill person pikin like this. If you see drug lord, e better pass this people. Yes. In fact, this kind of people, by the time we finish our work for here, go see Baba God. When we don't finish, everybody don't, you reach heaven. You can't dey sit down for one corner for heaven. You can't see any of these people wey do this kind of thing. Carry your load, comot for heaven for them. Comot for heaven for them. I know say people when they talk now, say wetin this one they talk. If person don't enter heaven, everybody will go enter heaven na righteous people. See, na inside heaven dey, na inside heaven, na devil dey, where spirit of arrogance enter am. I dey talk now, see say una dey look me. So this thing na wickedness. Justice, we go find out wetin happen to this boy. We go find out and we go know the truth in Jesus' name. See now, just watch am. Wicked people everywhere.